everyone, this is Barbara from Friday Night Freakout with my really show number 3! Okay, so I haven't made one of these in a really long time, so I'll give you an update. So here are some things that have happened since my last show. I cut my hair. Yeah. I no longer have a boyfriend. I got a job. My parents opened a restaurant where I now work. I am captain of the Majorette Squad. I'm also on the retreat team. For those of you who don't know what that is, I'm not explaining it to you. I am also in the theater department, and I got a semi-big role. I started taking piano lessons. Why am I talking like this? As you can see, I have a very busy schedule, and I am all over the place, and I'm pretty much booked Monday through Monday, and yeah. So I apologize for abandoning you guys and not making videos. I mean, I'm sure your life has just been completely upside down because I haven't made any videos in such a long period of time. Yeah, I'm not that delusional. I know you have lives. Well, I hope everything is going well for you guys, my viewers, and if you guys want anything, like, specific, like anything you'd like me to make fun of, let me know. Okay? Thanks. Hey guys, So here are some things that have happened since